It's solar week, so we're gonna put the panels up this week, up there. We got both mounted up. Next up, we're gonna install all of the inputs. Got the grounds all hooked up. Got the positives all hooked up. The conduit is into the loft. We have our LB up there. So now I gotta send the fish tape through that up into the loft and start pulling that 6-gauge wire out of the LB and then down. Got most of it up. Today went a lot better. It's starting to drizzle now. But yeah, go home tomorrow. I ran out of the clamps, unfortunately. But yeah, yesterday they didn't have the boom lift available. The guy didn't bring it back. So today I got it. I got it late last night and it's basically done. I made 4 more panels. I gotta run 2 more strings of wire. But everything's looking pretty good. And it's working. It's working really well.